This video is to encourage anyone that is having issues with his or her teeth. It's to let you know that there is a solution to any kind of teeth problem which you have, be it tooth pain, be it tooth decay, be it chipped teeth or cracked teeth, or be it missing teeth. It can be fixed, okay? And you're going to recover your confidence back. Just take a look at this amazing way of fixing these teeth. I've never seen this amazing way before. As you can see, a bridge is being put over there and a new teeth is being placed there. Can you see that? It is so beautiful. And once this is done, the teeth of this person is going to be like original teeth. Like, most people will not know that this is not full comb, you know. They are going to think this is a natural teeth. So this is very, very amazing. For you that is having pain on your teeth, or toothache, or bleeding gum, or cracked teeth, or any kind of pain that you're going through in your mouth, I just want to say that I'm so sorry for the pains that you're going through. Indeed, it is very painful. You know, most of you can't even eat meat, can't even drink cold water or hot water because of the sensitivity or because of the pains. I understand it can be painful. So sorry, and I just want to encourage you to do the needful. For those that can afford to go to dentist, please visit a dentist. And for those that cannot afford to visit the dentist, I have good news for those that can't afford to visit their dentist for now. There is a company that is producing toothpaste, and they are a new company, and I have been using their product for a while now, and their product is very good. So they are giving out free toothpaste to few people that are having issues with their teeth. So if you want to get this free toothpaste, kindly check the link in the description of this video and send message to them, and you will be contacted on how to get your own. So please subscribe to this channel, as I'll be bringing to you good opportunities, tips, and ways you can take good care of yourself, including your teeth. And also leave your comments below. Leave what you think, leave solution that you have, or what you have done that has worked for you, so that other people can learn from your experience. You know, the essence of this video is to encourage us to take good care of our oral, to take good care of our mouth, to take good care of our teeth, because teeth issues or teeth problems is very, very painful. It is not advisable. For those that are already having issues with their teeth, please take good care of your teeth. Maintain good hygiene in your mouth. If you are the type that don't like brushing, please try and brush at least once a day. But it's advisable to brush morning and night. And brushing means brush after eating food to remove the food particles that germs can feed on, and then brush in the night after eating food. The last thing to do, brush your teeth. Take your time, take care of your mouth so that you have a healthy mouth. Prevent every form of tooth decay. Prevent any form of mouth odor. Prevent any form of issues of the mouth. It could be painful. Take good care of your teeth, and also take good care of yourself. I love you.